Hello everyone, I'm Russell and you are so much welcome here, where I try my best to help you get a better understanding of the English language. Today I want to talk to you about an important topic, and the topic is conditional sentence. I have realized that it would be a better idea if I make a video about this topic. So, if you are interested in this topic, you are so much welcome to watch this video till the very end. I extremely believe that this video will help you make your fluency so much perfect and fascinating. Anyway, let's get started with this topic. First of all, I want to talk to you about zero conditional. The structure of zero conditional is if plus present simple plus present simple. For example, if you heat water, it evaporates. Tell me if you need any kind of help. If you go to the market, please buy a pen for me. Now let's talk about first conditional. The structure of first conditional is if plus present simple plus will plus verb 1. For example, if you call me, I will call you later. If you want to go, I will wait for you. If you need any kind of help, I will try my best to help you. Anyway, the next topic is second conditional. The structure of second conditional is if plus past simple plus would plus verb 1. For example, if I had time, I would go to the beach. If I had a camera, I would take some photographs. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. However, the last one is third conditional. The structure of third conditional is if plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle. For example, if you had gone there, you would have seen her. If you had bought a lottery, you would have got a motorcycle. If I had studied better, I would have passed the exam. Anyway, that's it for today's topic. I extremely believe that you have enjoyed it and you have learned something from this video. If you find this video so much important and helpful, don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. I'll see you soon in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay good